So we're at Crane Creek Reserve Golf Course. Crane Creek started as a 9-hole golf facility in 1920, and we eventually turned our golf course into an 18-hole golf course in 1926. So in May 1st, we did close down for renovations. The renovations that were included were our brand new putting greens, brand new irrigation system that waters the whole golf course a lot more efficiently. Our driving range been redone. We've also extended tee boxes. We've added some new bunkers. We've lengthened the course for those players that may hit the ball a little bit longer. But to go along with the putting greens, we went with a Seashore Platinum Paspalum, which we did a lot of research in Florida to find out what grass fits Florida the best. And we went to golf course to golf course to golf course, and that's what the team here at Crane Creek decided to go with. And we're super excited because it's growing in amazing. It's still gonna take a little bit of time, but right now these greens are looking fantastic. My favorite holes are 10, of course, number 9. We built a brand new tee box for the blue tees for those longer hitters. That really makes a lot of the elements come into play. Number 16 is actually a brand new green, brand new bunkers. We removed that green, so 16 is also one of my favorites. Also 18, we also built a brand new tee box that we pushed back. So for those longer hitters, they get to enjoy the more length of that hole. Every level can come here at Crane Creek. The majority of our players are that intermediate golfers. There's not a lot of water, there's not a lot of sand. So it's a golf course where your score will be a lot better, which when your score is a lot better, your confidence level is high and you come back and play. So we are now open. Go on our website, give us a call, schedule a tee time. We look forward to seeing everybody here at Crane Creek Reserve Golf Course.